guys, Ambree here with Love Body Health and Fitness Coaching. I know so many of you are scared to start exercising, and that's totally okay. It's normal to feel insecure about our bodies and our starting point, but that shouldn't deter you from working out. Whether you are working out to gain weight, lose weight, gain mobility, or help your flexibility, it's always good to look at your workout as a form of self-love and not a form of self-hatred. Unfortunately, one reason that gets a lot of people to start working out is lack of self-confidence. They feel like gaining their dream body is going to help them feel the way they wish to feel, but that isn't a case. Self-love starts with loving your body how it is right here, right now. I often have clients doting on parts of their bodies that they don't like. Look at my underarms. I need to get rid of these love handles. What can I do about these thighs? Working out is a journey. It's gonna take a while to get your dream body, so you might as well enjoy who you are and where you are right now along your fitness journey. This is why my business is called Love Body, because having great health starts from loving your body inside and out. So remember, you are more than just your body. You're a beautiful mind. You're smart. You're passionate. You are hardworking, and you care about your body enough to be watching this video right now. So thank yourselves for taking time out of your busy lives to take this first step towards your health journey. If you end up missing a workout or have one too many cheat meals, don't be hard on yourself. This just means you're human. I do the same thing too. We don't want to cause ourselves extra stress if we miss a workout. Just make sure to use this as a learning experience. What triggers you? Why did you miss your workout to begin with? This can give us insights to other areas of our life that are out of balance that need some extra love and attention as well. Before you begin exercise, make sure to prepare for the workout. That means having water ready and near you if you get dehydrated. It's so important to replenish those fluids so we feel great while we're working out. Another thing that helps me have a great workout is wearing clothes I feel comfortable in. And that means athletic clothes that I feel cute in. You can wear whatever you'd like, but I just find that this helps me. A common question I get asked is, when should I work out? Well, that's completely up to you. One, you have to figure out when you have time to work out. Would it be better for your schedule to hit the gym in the morning or do an at-home workout in the morning before you start your day? Or would you rather use this workout as a way to de-stress in the evening after a long day? Some people find that working out in the evening time causes them to lose sleep as they can't fall asleep as easily. Some people find it relaxes them. So just try and see what works for you. We are all bio-individuals, which means we all have different preferences and our body responds differently to different activities. If you've experienced any kind of injury or acute pain while working out, make sure to see a doctor and physical therapist. They can help you get to the root cause of the pain to prevent any kind of injury or more discomfort down the road. Oftentimes, when we experience pain in one area, it can lead to problems in other areas and different imbalances. This can deter you from working out altogether, so make sure to not be afraid to get help when it's needed. Again, strength training is the act of tearing apart the muscle and rebuilding it to be stronger. So know the difference between normal muscle soreness and acute pain. Also, make sure to stretch before and after your workout. Stretching will look very different before your workout than after your workout. We never want to do a static stretch before. That means holding the muscle and lengthening it. This can weaken the muscle and cause injury when strength training and weightlifting. I always like to do movements that will mimic the workout that I'm doing. So if I'm going to be squatting, I do some light air squats. If I'm going to be working out my upper body, I might do some arm hugs, might lift my arms above my head. The goal is to get blood moving to those areas so they're prepped for when we actually do the work on them. This will prevent injury and make sure that our body is nice and warm. After your workout, it's great to do some static stretching. So that means lengthening the muscle and holding it. It's really great for those muscle fibers to get nice and loose. Sometimes we can lengthen one muscle too much, so stretching might not always be ideal, but again, if you're seeing any kind of pain, make sure to see a physical therapist who can help you determine whether stretching is safe or not. If your goal is to increase flexibility, it's best to repeat each stretch about 3 times. Yoga is also a wonderful way to increase flexibility, and just because you're not flexible doesn't mean you shouldn't do it. That's actually why you should do it. PsycheTruth has so many great yoga videos if you want to get started with that. I like to make sure I add at least 1 day of yoga a week to my strength training workouts. It's so important to make sure we're just not building size in our muscles and we're actually taking care of them and taking the time to stretch so we have that flexibility and range of motion in order to decrease injury in the future. Make sure you're also fueling your body properly. This means eating enough before your workout. If you feel lightheaded during your workout, make sure to take a break. Don't keep pushing. This can be super dangerous and cause you to even faint. So having a carbohydrate before your workout is a great way to do this. If you want to know what else to do, refer to my video on what to eat before and after your workout. Hydrating is super important after your workout as well, so make sure you're consuming about half your body weight in ounces. I like to consume more if I'm really sweating a lot, and make sure to increase your electrolytes. So having things like coconut water, electrolyte tablets can be super helpful. Also, make sure to hydrate after your workout. It's super important for recovery and just feeling good. I like to drink at least half my body weight in ounces and do more if I'm sweating a lot. Make sure to keep track of your food intake and be honest about it. Most of the time, we are shy about putting that we ate that chocolate donut or that muffin. Make sure to be honest about all food you are eating. Remember, weight loss and muscle gain cannot be achieved through workouts alone. The more you are aware of what you're putting in your body, the more control you have over it. Also, track your progress. This doesn't mean weighing yourself on the scale every day. That's a super unhealthy habit. I recommend weighing yourself out every week at most, ideally every 2 weeks. Make sure to take circumference measurements and progress photos in order to see your progress. You can take these every 2 weeks or once a month. It's completely up to you. And don't skip out that before photo. I know a lot of people might be insecure about their bodies, but you really want to have that to compare to the progress that you make later on. It's great to see where you started and where you're at. So take a camera, set it up in an area of your room you feel comfortable in. You can wear a sports bra, some workout shorts, or if you feel comfortable, just do it in your bra and your underwear. You're really going to want to have these photos later on, I promise you. Lastly, make sure to celebrate your victories. You lost 5 pounds? You go, girl. Just make sure not to celebrate that with a cheat day. A cheat meal is okay, but some people can go overboard and really go backwards on their progress. I recommend taking a hot Epsom salt bath, maybe getting a pedicure with your girlfriends, or how about going on a date night to a healthy restaurant in your area. Also, remember, working out is a journey. Getting to your goal is a journey. It doesn't just stop once you get to your goal weight, you have to maintain. So make sure you're not doing too much at once and slowly incorporate healthy things into your lifestyle that are sustainable. 90% of people who go on a diet program gain the weight back. So make sure this isn't you. Be kind to yourself. Make sure to incorporate one thing at a time, and they will, I promise you, be lasting habits. You have to enjoy where you're at right now and where you're going. So what do you want to make a part of your lifestyle? If you have more questions on how to live a healthy lifestyle and you want a health consultation, go over to lovebodycoaching.com. Thank you for watching this video with me, and I look forward to helping you in the future. Ready to start working out right now? Check out one of my workout videos. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. This video is brought to you by our loyal patrons who help to keep our cameras rolling. To show our appreciation, we produce tons of exclusive content just for our patrons.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts. Start your 14-day free trial today by clicking the link below.